Like many industries, recycled plastics has been impacted by two major forces in 2020: coronavirus pandemic and the crude oil price crash. The commitment to sustainability has faltered under the pressure from low crude oil prices that have rippled through supply chains to produce low virgin polymer prices. With the exception of those polymers under regulated recycled content targets, the pull to switch back to virgin has been intense. Never before has the negative delta between virgin and recycled prices been so wide. Manufacturers of virgin polymers are following the decline in feedstock prices and also staying competitive with export markets, as well as meeting the demand from the food and hygiene related markets generated by consumers in lockdown. Converters, unless tied into buyers with specific sustainability targets, are focusing on costs and switching back to greater, if not complete, use of virgin polymers, with both recessionary pressures looming and the need to save costs. Some brands and retailers, many of whom have made voluntary pledges to increase the use of recycled content and recyclable materials, have been distracted by the need to meet the spikes in demand for packaged goods across markets and the plentiful supply of substantially lower virgin priced polymer. The question is, how quickly will they return to the use of recycled feedstocks to get back on track with their pledged deadlines? End consumers' primary concern is the pandemic and the impact on their lives and loved ones. Plastic pollution will in the interim fall out of sight, although behaviours will change little in terms of utilising recycling bins. And if anything, the pandemic may cause some consumers to reassess views on climate change and their role in this. Waste management systems, which faced a shortage in available manpower and a reprioritisation of waste processing, which demoted recyclables to a medium ranking below that of general household waste, saw less frequent collections of recyclables or diversion of recyclables to landfill and incineration, as sorting centres closed even temporarily, which will impact the supply of bales into the recycling chain. And so for recyclers, the impact is from all sides. Reduced supply of feedstock constraining operating rates, keeping bale prices high coupled with weaker demand from buyers as they shift to lower cost virgin feedstocks is leaving many plants in a precarious position. Refinancing short-term debt and limited cash flows could cause non-integrated recyclers to go bankrupt. Recyclers are not unfamiliar with these dynamics, having gone through this in 2015. But if circularity of resources is to be achieved, a swift return to support of the recycled plastic supply chain is critical. The mid-term impact on investment could potentially delay progress in longer-term targets, and those end users distracted by low-cost virgin products may find the sources for recycle are reduced as a result.